Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm actually going to be making my very first YouTube video. I am super excited to be joining YouTube this year because I've just been watching YouTube videos a lot and I've always wanted to be able to make some. I think it's a really cool thing to do. So I hope you guys like my channel. Today I'm going to be doing 10 facts about me, and I'm also going to be talking about what I hope to do on this channel at the end of the video. So I don't know if you would consider this a vlog or whatever, just consider it what you want to. I'm just gonna call it my first video. So I hope you guys enjoy. The first fact about me is that I've danced for my past 4 years, but this past year I had to drop out because I've been having hip problems and different problems with my knees and my lower back. I also danced, I think, for a year and a half when I was a little younger, but this upcoming year, my freshman year, I'm going to be taking a dance class at my freshman center. My second fact about me is that I love doing DIYs, different beauty DIYs and crafts that I could use as decoration almost, like canvas DIYs, all that type of stuff. I love doing those, and I also like experimenting with different makeup ideas. So if I see a different way to smudge my eyeliner or a different way to do a smoky eye, I'm going to attempt to do that. Even if I have to go out and buy different supplies for it, I still want to be able to know, is it going to work or is it not going to work? My third fact is that I don't like skirts, dresses, hats, or high heels. I absolutely hate those clothing items. I don't know why. I just don't feel comfortable in dresses or skirts, but if I have to wear a dress or a skirt for a dance recital or for a wedding or whatever, then I will. But I also don't like hats or high heels because high heels are just really difficult to walk in, and at my age, if you're wearing them, you look kind of tacky. So, you know, that's why I just don't like them. My fourth fact is that I'm going to be a freshman my upcoming year this school year. So that's going to be a new experience. I just got out of middle school, so that should be exciting. And I will be doing a back to school video on different supplies and tips and stuff for my past year, which is middle school. So if any of y'all are going into the 7th or 8th grade, I hope my video later on will help you guys out with that. My fifth fact is that I am absolutely obsessed with theatrical makeup and special effects because just seeing how people make the special effects makeup for different TV shows and movies, it's really interesting. My sixth fact is that I'm absolutely in love with the show So You Think You Can Dance. I record every single episode, even if I've already seen it or I'm going to watch it that night, I'll record it, and I get very into the show, like lots of laughing, the occasional wanting to cry when someone gets eliminated. It's just a really great show and I love watching it. My seventh fact is that my top 3 Disney movies are The Little Mermaid, Alice in Wonderland, and Finding Nemo, and I think Alice in Wonderland and The Little Mermaid are my top 2 favorites because I have all of the Alice in Wonderland books and I've read books based off of Alice in Wonderland, and it's just like a really interesting story plot that I like. And then The Little Mermaid, that was just a show that I've always loved since I was a little girl. So those are my top 3 Disney movies. My 8th fact is that I absolutely love Panda Express, and I know it's basically just knockoff Asian food, but I can't stop eating Panda Express. I mean, their spring rolls, orange chicken, the rice, everything, I just love it. My 9th fact is that I am obsessed and in love with, and I can't go without my sweet tea. Basically, my favorite sweet tea is from Chick-fil-A or Raising Cane's. I don't know why, it's just their sweet tea is so amazing. My 10th fact and my last fact is that I've been playing the violin for my past 3 years, and I will be playing the violin my upcoming freshman year, and that will be my 4th year. So I hope you guys learned a little bit about me from those 10 facts. If you do have any other questions for me, you can just leave them in the comments below. And now I'm just gonna talk about what I really want to do on this channel. I basically don't want it to be a specific type of channel. Like, I don't want it to be a beauty channel, I don't want it to be a DIY channel. It's basically just gonna be like a blog for me. I mean, I'm going to post whatever I want to post. And I know that for a while when I make videos, I'm going to suck. I know that because I'm just now starting and I'm looking up different techniques I can do, and I'm going to invest in more cameras or editing softwares or different pieces of lighting. Like you can see right now, my lighting is probably really, really bad because I only have a window on one side of my bedroom. So I'm probably going to be a little overexposed on one side in a lot of my videos. But I do know that I'm going to suck for a really long time, and that's perfectly okay. I mean, I know people are probably going to comment, your video is really bad. I know that. I've been completely aware of it because I do have another channel with my really good friend Mary, and I will try to tag that channel in the comments below, or in the little description box, or whatever you want to call it. We've only made about 3 videos, I think, and we haven't, you know, received any hate, but, you know, not everybody's gonna like our videos, and we know that. But on this channel, I basically just want to post what I want to post and grow into a bigger channel maybe. I'm not doing this for fame. I really do not want fame. I'm not someone that wants a ton of attention on me, but this is just kind of going to be a thing that I'm interested in. I want to try out, and maybe if I don't like it, then I won't continue making videos, but I do hopefully want to make more videos in the future, and I hope you guys do like them. So if you did like this video, or you thought it was interesting or whatever, if you just wanted to watch it and you liked it, then just give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be awesome. And if you have any other questions about my channel or any questions about me, then you can go ahead and leave those in the comments below, and I will definitely read them. So I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.